Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday to you all. Today is beautiful Monday, and today I'm not doing any recipe. Rather, I'm show you guys how I made my beautiful hair this weekend. The struggles. This is the second time I'm actually braiding my hair by myself, so I'm just showing you guys the struggle that I went through doing this hair by myself, and I'm so happy that I was able to accomplish this goal of making my hair for the weekend. Okay, so this is not a tutorial on how to make hair, okay, because I'm still learning how to make my own hair. I do my kids' hair very well, any style at all, but I'm just getting used to like making my own hair, and it has been so helpful that I'm able to do this hair by myself, like the boss braid. I also do cornrow by myself, and I also do crochet by myself on my own hair. So I've been doing this for a while now, and I'm kind of getting used to it a little bit. So I can't wait to like become like really pro in making my own hair, because this saves me a whole lot of money. Because if I should go to the salon, like the professional salon, to get my hair done, of course, this hair will be like nothing less than 140 to 150, without including the hair, the extension itself. I have to bring my own extension. So if they are the one providing the extension, I should be looking at about $200 or so. So having your own hair, being able to make your own hair, saves you a lot of money living abroad. I don't know, based on your own location where you're living, it might be different in prices. So, but here it's quite expensive in US, like going to the salon to braid your own hair. So it saves me money if I'm able to do it myself, do my kids' hair. I can use that money for something else, okay? Yeah, I can use that money, go for my spring shopping, buy some good stuff for myself, save the money, and use it to do something more useful. All right, so that's just it, how I braid my hair. So what I do, I just use the mirror and I will cut out a part. So I make sure that I am just dabbing, like using my hand to find the one that I cut out. So I just go ahead and just, like I said, this is not a tutorial on how to braid your hair. I'm still learning, okay? So I just go like that, and I just use my fingers and divide them into three, and I will start braiding. So once I keep going, my son, they keep going back and forth all over the place. So once I've gone to a point that I'm able to switch it around to the front area, so I can have a better balance to continue. So I just switch it around, then I continue braiding until I get to the end of it. So it's not really that difficult. The only problem is that when you continue doing this, your hands will start hurting. So I started this Friday evening. So I started Friday evening and I finished it up Saturday morning around before noon, 12 p.m. I was done with the hair. Okay, so it took me a little bit of time, probably total of about 5 hours. Not in a straight though, because when you have kids, I started, something came up, I always leave the hair to go do one thing or the other. Time to eat lunch, I leave the hair, do lunch. Time for dinner, I leave, you guys got the gist, right? So when you have kids, you always leave. You can't finish something in a straight. When you do a little bit, you leave it and go do something else. When you have time, you come back to that stuff. So I have a hair like twist, like what do they call it, Senegani twist, I think, that I've been doing for the past months. But it's been like over 2-3 months now. I've not really touched the hair for once because I've been so busy. So it's been like 2 months or so. I haven't really done anything on the braiding. So I started it sometime in April, or is it like May? So like I said, it's been a while. So, but I'll put in some couple of hours. Whenever I have time, I put in hours. But lately, I've not been doing anything to the hair because when I have extra time with me on my side, I use it to watch YouTube videos to support you guys as well. So I use my free time to watch YouTube videos, okay, to support you guys. I know you guys have been supporting me a lot, so I use my spare time, free time to also watch you guys' video to support you as well. So yeah, but I plan to put in more time on that hair as well. I'll be showing you guys the hair that I'm talking about pretty soon. I'll go grab it and I will show you guys the hair. It's almost done, but I still have a lot of work to do. So this is the hair. I'm done braiding it. It's looking so nice right now. Looking nice. So it's kind of a bust braid. I just wanted it to be big inside so it can finish quick. So the next thing I'll do is to go ahead and dip them in the hot water. So here we are. After dipping it in the hot water, it's now flat. It's no longer puffy, like really big the way it was. So it has soaked down, looking nice right now, okay? So, but I'm not done yet, okay? I still have to like make it looks beautiful, like decoration. Like, you know, after you finish making your cake, you have to decorate the cake, right? Yeah. So I think I did I would say, yeah, I did a nice job like cutting it. When you're like making a pattern on your own hair, it wouldn't be that great, but I can say I tried. So here we are. I have finished putting some fancy stuff I wanted to put in it. Looking so nice. So I'm so proud of myself that I was able to pull this out all by myself without any assistant at all for my second attempt. So like I said, this is the second time I'm bust braiding my hair. So I'm loving it. I'm so happy that I saved that money. This is joyful dance. Yeah, when you really want to do something and you're able to accomplish that thing, of course you'll be so happy. You'll be so proud of yourself. Yeah, especially the money part, saving the money. Okay, when you save money, you'll be happy that you saved money. So this is it. I think it looks nice, not so bad. It's not as clean as, you know, clean like if somebody was cutting the hair for you, but doing it yourself, I think it's okay. It's acceptable, right? So guys, thank you all so much for your support. I do appreciate you all. I can't thank you enough. I can't thank you guys enough. Yeah, so I just want you to know that I appreciate, and I also do my best to support you guys. Once I have little time with me, I jump right at it, watch you guys video, and yeah, share as well. Please do not forget to share me out as well. I do appreciate that. Yeah, I can't get like enough of looking at the hair with the mirror. Yes guys, so please give this video a thumbs up and share as well to support my handwork, right? Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and pack this up. You can actually pack this in different style the way you want it, or you can just leave it pouring down. But I like to tie it up, especially when I'm at home, I'm busy. I just want to like tie them up so they don't keep pouring all over the place or what I'm doing. I just want to get it out of the way, so I have to like tie it up. So it looks pretty nice, I think. I would think, yeah. Just giving myself applause. That's a joy dance, okay? That's coffin dance. Da na 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 da na 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 na. That was actually the dance I was dancing. So this is the hair that I have that I was talking to you guys about, my braid. Like I said, it's been like a couple of months I started this hair, and it has been 2 months I haven't done anything on the hair. So, but I will try my best to start working on this hair now, because it's been a while, because I've been so busy using my little time to support you all. But that's what you guys are worth all my support. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful new week. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.